Hey everyone, welcome to my video. Today in this video we will model this part. It's a laser cutted tube example. We will model it together and then assemble. So then I may open a new part and begin. First thing is we click our top plane and in the pop-up menu I select this sketch so I can create the sketch. I pick here a circle from sketch menu and I drop two circle to screen. Here I have a 2mm distance and outer diameter is 40. Once we are done with that, we close sketch, go features, extrude both base. Here we're gonna extrude it for 60mm and close the sketch. I will look from front now and I will click the normal tool. So I look from projection to that plane. I pick a line and as I always do, I create a construction geometry. This will help me to constrain my sketch. And then at the midpoint, I drop a circle. This is 20 again. And I close it, extrude cut through all. Yes. Object selected, and we go to circular place pattern. Object is this. Circular pattern will only ask me a circular surface to make this pattern, or you may use axis as well. 340 degree, 4 time equal spacing active. This is good. Top surface is selected. I look normal too, and I create here a sketch. So then I will pick a rectangle with center rectangle. I will create here two rectangles. I press Control in my keyboard and I make them equal. Also, I will make the length equal. So when I make a tangent here, everything will be there except our dimension. Now I will say 7. Yes, sketch is good. We cut 5. It is enough to select on the outer contour of sketch and say here 5. First part is done. We can save this. New folder. Example again, and we say AA1, the name of part, and then we go create another part. Now on top plane I create a sketch. First I will start a line, something like this, and I convert them to a construction geometry. Here I place one circle, here I place one circle. Then I need my dimensions, 55 by 20, center 35. It is very simple. Now I will pick a line and drop it randomly. If you don't want to press Control, you select two of them by pressing your left mouse button. You can say make tangential. You can also, if you little bit move this dimension, you can also say make tangent. Then you remove this part. Select this one, mirror entities. Sorry, and this one, mirror about will be this one. And now I will select this two, and mirror about will be this one. Yes, this is good. And we may trim. If you do not like messy sketch, you take a trim and trim entities. Sometimes you may lose your relationships, sometimes not. Then let's add here also two holes. Control is pressed, and we make this 2 equal, and I will add here a 6. Operation is done, and we make 5 mm thickness. And now I would like to save my sketch. This is A2, part A2. So we got 2 parts, and I open the assembly. Waiting a bit. Yes, we got an assembly. I select from insert components A1 and A2. First part is floating here. This is mostly not nice place, but you can select origin, both origins, and say mate. It will be in the origin. This is a better constraint. And now, after this operation, we know that we should mate this one to here. And now, only thing we should make and concentric. In fact, we select this edge and we select this one. It will be there. I think we have only one rotation. We should eliminate it. Front plane, constraint with front plane. It's a good idea, I think. A 2 parts front plane, constraint with the assembly's front plane, and then we are good. Everything fully defined. Also, you see here fully defined. Now we're gonna open this part and finish our operation. What I know, it was 40 millimeter, so we're gonna make a little bit bigger, 40.1 the diameter, because laser cut will be laser cut. It's good to give some gap, and then I need to introduce my notches. First I start like this. I will delete this one. Maybe I'm a little fast. Let's start like this. We open a sketch on top plane. We create here a line and convert it to construction geometry. Here we got another line and line. Now I select 3 of them, make symmetric. Here this will be coincident here. Here this will be coincident here as well. Now I will introduce a diameter, a circle. So this is cutted. This is cutted as well. Here is 36. Half of it came as a radius. And it was 7. Let's make it 6.9. It is good. And I'm going to use this one now, the close profile. Close the other way around. Then we can do it this way. Convert and trim. Yes. Select everything. Circular pattern. 4 times. Create it. And we close sketch. Extrude. Reverse direction. 5 mm thick. Merge result. And part is done. So we can close it now. And let's go see what we have. Yes, we have also some manufacturing tolerances. You see there, well constrained, 2 part. And that was it. I hope you have learned something new. If you like video, hit the like button and make a comment. See you in another video.